So, welcome everyone to the Strategic Portfolio Management webinar. My name is Florian Perez. I will be your host today. For those that are watching later on YouTube, we are happy to offer this free demonstration as part of our ongoing effort to share knowledge and best practices with the Atlassian community. So if you have any questions, please drop them in the chat or in the Q&A panel as we go, and I will address them at the end after the demonstration. So around the agenda for today, we'll cover first what is a strategic portfolio management mean and the requirements we are trying to satisfy. Then we'll move to several short demo covering Jira product discovery, plan. We'll also cover structure and Gantt extension, and finally big pictures. So I will also point you to the Atlassian Strategy Collection with training resources that are available from Valiantys on documentation or YouTube. So yeah, that will be it, and then we'll close with a Q&A. So feel free to drop your questions even before, so we can tackle during this time. Maybe a quick word about me. So I am Florian Perez, Senior Atlassian Certified Consultant at Valiantys, and I've spent years in the Atlassian ecosystem helping organizations structure to scale their project and portfolio management with Jira, Confluence, big picture across the cloud, data center, basically all the type of environments. So my focus is to design practical, scalable solution and improving the governance so that the leadership, they get real visibility across the project and the team get the decision they can actually execute against. I'm also responsible I'm very involved in the Atlassian community. I do share best practices under the forum with all the users, and I maintain one of the longest scriptpreneur repository with several hundred automations that I've built and refined over the years. But today's session sits right under my day-to-day how to make portfolio management actually work in Atlassian tools. So let's start with the strategic portfolio management. So maybe what is strategic portfolio management? This is fundamentally about alignment. You want to align organizational goals, strategic financial planning with the delivery and the execution across the software, firmware, hardware, business team, marketing, the broader enterprise. So it's not only an IT concept. You want to know different things. So first thing, there is two kind of hierarchy on this. So the two kind of hierarchy are basically, two kind of hierarchy. So first, the work hierarchy. So this is what we got in Jira. So this is the initiative, epic, story, task, how the work is broken down from the team to execute. Then you got another hierarchy, which is the value hierarchy. And this usually live in slides or in the executive's head. This is the why, the company mission, the strategic priority, the annual objective, the OKRs. And this is what the business is trying to achieve. So without this strategic portfolio management, the Jira team, they execute ticket, but they don't know which strategic objective they serve. And the executive, when they track the OKR, they have no visibility into the actual work that is happening. This is why we got the strategic portfolio management. It connects each ticket to a strategic objective. So you can answer this story or this ticket the team is working on this week. It is related on this specific strategic priority. So yeah, really, it's really important, and yeah, that cover these two first points. One thing that is also important is that you want to go with a data-driven prioritization. I'm sorry. So the core principle of portfolio management is that you want to go for the data before you rely on, for example, the highest person paid, because or the loudest voice in the room. So you really want to avoid this. You want to go for one of the methodology. It could be weighted shortest job first, simple value over effort scoring, cost of delay calculation, whatever that fit your culture. But anything that is data driven is preferable to people decision. So really, this is one of the important thing. You don't want to hear from the loudest voice. Really base yourself on the data. I also want to go for the capacity versus the demand in real-time visibility. So you have to balance this capacity against the demand and schedule work accordingly to the real viability of the team who will do it. So you need full transparency and real-time visibility because the priority in a company, they change every time. Who didn't see that you were looking for something and the next quarter everything changed? So because this priority change and the organization priority also change, you have to pivot. And so this decision, if they are locked into a PowerPoint, for example, they are very hard to update, very hard to maintain, very hard to communicate. So yeah, definitely this is what strategic portfolio management is about. This is what it's unlock, the capacity of adapt, the capacity of pivot. Also, it adds some possibility with the roadmap dependency and the risk management. And you want to maintain roadmap for internal and external communication and use your project management tool for risk and dependency management. Every dependency is a potential schedule delay. A risk to the implementation. That's why in the demo later we'll spend some time to show you the dependency view, which are really important. So I'll make a small break in case you got any questions.
Hey, Florian. Sorry, are you sharing your screen? I don't see your screen at all.
Or, yeah, for the moment, it
Okay.
wasn't that much important, but yeah, I will share it. It should be better right now.
Oh, perfect. Thank you.
Yeah, so we covered this point for the moment, and we want to cover the rest right now. So over the the tool itself. So we discuss about a lot of different things. We discuss about different tool. You mentioned, you probably heard that I mentioned structure, I mentioned big picture and everything. There is a lot of tools to do the strategic portfolio management. And what is important is you don't want to pick a tool first. You want to run a trade study. You want to define your requirements. You want to consider your culture, your processes. And then you want to evaluate the tools that are existing. Because every tool I will show you has strengths and trade-off. And the right choice, it does not depend on where you are today, on or what is popular in terms of software, in terms of plugin today. So you want to secure an executive champion early. So someone who provide authority, guidance, and top-down support, for example. Uh, you want to start with a pilot group that genuinely willing and eager to adopt the change. You want to learn from them. Then you want to roll out more broadly while keeping the disruption to delivery team and customer milestone to a bare minimum. You want to explicitly communicate what's in for each stakeholder. And this is so important because it helps so much in the adoption of these specific this specific implementation. You want to make the people understand why the change matter to them personally, because the adoption it becomes drastically easier if I know what it will give me in terms of beneficial. Um, so, for example, you can point that there will be no longer PowerPoint, spreadsheet, Confluence. Yeah, if you want to remove, for example, post-its that you have ID on, yeah, this is what is the part with the strategic portfolio management. You want to have uh, real-time tooling that reflect pivots and strategic change as they happen. The main point is I want to work. I want you to walk away with in this first section is don't make the team fit the tool, make the tool fit the team. So yeah, this is about it around the presentation of the strategic portfolio management. Let's go on what we call the intake tool. So uh, the two intake tool we implement the most often at Valiantys are the Jira Service Management and the Jira Product Discovery. Jira Service Management, it provides external and internal portals where you can support or make ideation. Anyone in the organization can submit the item, and if something can be addressed quickly, it goes to the appropriate team. And if it's a new idea, we route it into Jira Product Discovery. So the product manager, they can ideate against, they can see if it's fit with the strategic priorities and the initiative right now. And they can just basically draft and see if this bring value. So um, in Jira Product Discovery, the ideas they go through the analysis, so feasibility and value, and then the prioritization, then the road mapping, and that work answered the question that really matter: who can do the work, which team need to be involved, and what's the value versus the effort or cost of delay on this idea, and how do we schedule this? So once the idea is prioritized and it's ready, it's pushed into Jira for delivery, and then the team can start working on this. So really, you want to avoid having ideation part of the delivery flow. So the benefits for the delivery team is that their execution backlog, it stays focused. We avoid cluttering them with a million features ID that become stale and unmanageable. And so the ideation and the intake, it belong in a tool that is designed for this, not in the execution backlog. All right. So, I want to talk you a bit also about the work management landscape. So for work management, Jira and Jira Service Management, they link your plan work and work breakdown structure to your goals. On top of that, sits portfolio and project management tool. So Jira Plan, the Tempo suite, for example, is timesheet, planner, roadmaps, Appfire Big Picture Enterprise, and you want to know that Atlassian also offered the strategic collection with Focus, Align, and Talent. So these three tools uh, will not uh, got from them during this specific webinar, but will provide you with documentation so you can just learn more about the Atlassian strategy collection. Yeah, basically, we are done with the presentation of this part. So let's start with the demonstration. So I want to start with the ideation because this is the first part of the process. So let's start with Jira product discovery. And let me open this to a different place. Perfect. So GPD, I will call it like this because Jira product discovery each time it will take me too much time. So GPD is built around a configurable view. So it supports intake, ideation, honest roadmap, and fully customizable view. So you can automate creation of delivery work, items straight from ideation, link them to goals or focus areas, and then you can use some calculated field for help you into the priority in this specific item. So the project is here, so you access it like another project. It's a different license, so you got a Jira software license. You got probably a Jira Service Management license. Jira Product Discovery is a specific license. And so once you got a project, you got here a certain number of view. So uh, this multiple view, there is a lot of configuration you can provide, and there is a lot of templates that you can use as is, or you can customize. So for example, here we have the impact assessment, impact versus effort, project roadmap, timeline. Everything is about this specific template. And here you got more template, more possible view that you can leverage for your specific project, your specific ideation process. So let's start with one of the important things, which is the product timeline. So I'll close this. And so the project timeline is a roadmap based on ID, date, and milestone. So you can add markers right there, right there. So if I click here, I can add another marker on this specific roadmap. Uh, and also it display me some important fields. For example, the confidence, the delivery process, the effort, the impact score. So basically I can see the important part about each of the ID. If I need to display more fields or less field, I have the possibility here to click on this and switch between the compact view or just the summary. So this allow me to just reduce the information that we got. And so if I want to add more field, let's say I want to add, for example, the confidence, I can directly add this field by clicking on the field here, and I can add the confidence. And so by adding the confidence, I can now set up confidence for each of the idea. So really easy to make a customization on this kind of view. Yeah, definitely something that you want to try. So there is many fields that you can use on this. Those are predefined field, but you can create more field or use the existing one if you want to show them do this. For example, the confidence is one we were talking about. For each of the field, you got the description of it, and yeah, basically you have every information you want about this. So let's talk, for example, about the delivery progress here, which is an estimation from Jira. So you can have more information about the delivery progress, and you will see that we use this in the rest of the demo. We can talk also about the effort. So this is a high level estimate of the effort. This will help us to rank the issue. For example, the impact also can be used in the same way. So yeah, definitely a lot of fields that you can add to your view to help you to assess specific idea. So this is the first part with the timeline. Then I want you to talk you more about a specific idea. So let's open this one here. And I want you to see the template picker. So this is what we got for this specific opportunity. But if I want to use a different way to present this opportunity, I can definitely add or use one of the template from the library or create my own template. That means that I will be able to generate the specific template for my issue and for the specific ID to collect the right information inside. And if I need something very custom, I can just create my own template and use it. So really powerful use for this part. So yeah, these templates are for example, experiment, evaluation, or hypothesis planning. So I also want to show you, let me go back to my product timeline here. So I really want to show you yeah, the specific, sorry, yeah, I want to show you the insight. So in this specific ticket here, you can see that we have the overview, we have the comment like we could have in a specific Jira ticket, but we also have the insight part. So the insight is very interesting for you because when you open a specific ticket, you can see uh, people that can create insight and mark the impact of this insight. And this will also help you to calculate the priority of a specific idea. So let's say, for example, you want to create a new insight, then you can just say, for example, my team need this, and you can add a link if you want, and yeah, just state the impact of this. And so basically, you see, you can have people that express their opinions and just manage the impact of every idea. So it's really more helpful to manage the priority of these things. And it is really easy to find the high value and the high impact ideas. So basically, this we use this for the customer intake, like the customer feedback. You want to link this back to a source, and the value impact is something personal, but yeah, that gives traceability for the customer voice. And this is also the way for this is the exactly what executive they ask when they try to know why we are building something. So really, really important. And also, one thing I want to show you is you want to build this with a link to the delivery. Like I was saying, when you got those ID finalized, you want them to be shared with the delivery. And so to do this, you can just create a work item directly in Jira in the correct team, or you can link an actual Jira work item on this. And so doing this, you will be able to just follow or connect the existing work. So the delivery status view show those delivery item and also can summarize the progress on this. So let's continue with something that is important around the delivery. So I said to you that we could see the status of the delivery. So we'll just discard this. So this is the view where you can see the delivery status. So basically, for uh, the largest architectural works, we add fields like spec ready, like design ready. Only when the specifications are actually ready does the item work to delivery. So this is the gate that protect our engineering focus. So yeah, here basically we see when the spec is ready, when the design is ready, and then we can just send this as a Jira ticket, and we can also follow the delivery progress for each of this topic. One of the important thing about Jira Product Discovery is the impact versus effort. So this part here is a matrix view. You can see that there is the effort on this part here and the impact on this part, and it can be used to just assess what are the high impact low effort item to prioritize first or deprioritize like the high impact high effort low impact. So for example, here you got scores that are generated based on the specific effort versus impact. And you can see that this one are low effort with high impact. So it's probably a good call to prioritize this one. Instead, this one here have very low impact and pretty great effort. So probably this one would need to be delayed or just not there. And this is where we go to the last part of this demonstration of Jira Product Discovery, which is the honest roadmap. And it's probably one of my favorite feature because when you do roadmap, usually you lie to yourself or you're not showing anything. And this is exactly what you want to avoid. Um, this is exactly what you plan to do within the next quarter. And so this allow you to be completely honest and communicate what you are working on, what is prioritized next, without the commit to specific date. So if you don't need to share date, the timeline view is there. And the honest roadmap is how you avoid over committing on a specific item. So this is it about the Jira product discovery part, and I want us to go into the plan. So Jira plan, let me just go on this. Jira plan is the Atlassian native planning layer. So plans give you a timeline view. It is similar to Gantt through, it's not really full Gantt. There is, for example, no baseline on this. Um, and the plan, basically, they pull the sprint data to estimate the completion. They show the release, including cross-project and cross-spaces release, and let you visualize the dependencies. So at Valiantys, we use Jira Plan across most of our engagements, and it's easy. It is really a great tool to share the visualization with the stakeholders. First thing first, I really want to show you how you can define the scope of this plan. So it can be defined in many ways. So you can base it on spaces, you can base it on board, you can base it on specific filter, which make this tool really flexible in terms of scope. You can show basically the number of issue that you really want, the number of project, the number of spaces that you really want, and you can also base yourself on a specific board if you already have a board and you just want to make the visualization with the Gantt view on this. So really powerful, and I will jump on this. So here you got the basic view of one plan on Jira plan. So you see that there is a lot that is showing if I just go for this. So a lot of information. So there is obviously possibility to group by different things. So you can group by spaces, so by project. You can group by sprint. You can group by team. For example, if I group by team here, you can see that I clearly see that the OBC team got this specific item, the other team got this specific item, and these items are not part of any team. So really, really interesting way to see those things. And if you want to adjust the view even better, you can add filters on this. So about whatever you want, any filters you can add. It's really really flexible. And once you got your view ready, once you are happy with the way the things are showing to you, we can definitely save this view. And so by doing this, you can have a view that you can see when you need with the exact idea, with the exact presentation that you want. So if you want only the epics showing by team, it's definitely a possibility for you to save this as a specific view. Um, I want to talk you about the possibility for you to do some link between the different item here. So if I want to build a link between another work item, I can definitely do it. So for example, here I can build a dependency here from one to another. So you can see here that there is already existing dependency for this specific item. So yeah, definitely use them to manage the start to start and end to end, or the start to end. Yeah, basically all the kinds of dependency you want to have. And you can see that it could be a bit challenging to see all these dependencies on this specific view. This is why we got the dependency part here. So this dependency is a way for you to see a really easy way all the dependencies that exist on your tickets. So when you see this, the solid line, they indicate epic level dependencies, and if you got some dash line, those are just a story level dependency. So if you got any issue, you can see them in red, and then you can just have the correct decision to change this. So yeah, this is a really interesting view, and also like the rest of the view, you can make some adjustment into the way this is showing. So let's say you want to see only the epic. This is a possibility, and you can see also just the epic group by epic. And if you want to see a specific script, it's also possible really easily. So This allow you to have the correct information you need from the dependencies a really easy way. About the releases here, there is a possibility for you to see uh, some cross-project, cross-spaces release, and it's rendered in the timeline. So really also interesting thing, it gives you the progress of each release. It gives you the progress of released by team or by project, and also something for cross space release when you got some. So it's really important, really interesting because it had you more visibility on this. Also, one thing that is important, right, one thing that is interesting is the summary part, which is basically the report. It shows the progress, the key dependencies at a glance. So yeah, it's really the dashboard of your plan, and a really easy way to present the right information to the stakeholder without having too much information inside. Um, I really would like to discuss you with the capacity, because the tool itself plan have capacity inside. The only thing is there is a limitation. Plan model capacity are only at the team level. There is no individual level. So you need to keep that in mind. If you need individual capacity, other tool that we will present today will show have this functionality. But yeah, when you see the capacity of a team, you can see in the program itself, in the timeline, you can see that one team has the number of points each team have allocated by sprint. So this allow you to have some kind of management for the capacity during the different sprints. And if you see that some team are over allocated and some other team are under allocated, you can just replan accordingly. The program board itself here. So it helped us a lot for this. So it's relatively recent, it's about I think 1 year old, but it's a major use case for safe or hybrid scaled approach. So it's helped you to see what are the current use of the team, and you can easily replan item, just move items so the team they are not over allocated, and basically everything you do with your team, you stay under the current work they can provide. This is why we also have something here that is the scenario, because you probably will not have it as first time, and you might have different possibility to go through different plan. You can just create more scenario. So for example, if I want to reassign some of this, I can create a new scenario and just switch some items. So I see that this team here has some point left. This team here has a bit too much work. So I will just take one of these tasks and move it through another team. Now every of my team got the right capacity. The last thing I want to show you is everything when you do a modification here is saved into the scenario. So all the change I did, adding link, adding, changing tickets, team attribution or everything is saved here in the unsave change. So that means that this is currently a playground test where you can just adjust the planning, and when you are ready, you can just push the change here and check whatever you want to push in terms of ticket, just push them all at once. And saving the change, what it will do, it will just change basically the option into Jira. So really interesting thing. And so let's say, for example, you want to publish one specific program, one specific scenario, you can just go on this scenario and save the change. So you can see that the number of change are different from one scenario to the other. This is normal because I did more change on one of the scenario. So you can push exactly the scenario you want in this. Yeah, this is basically everything I have to say from the part with the plan. So let's switch to structure. So structure here is an additional plugin on Jira. So it will take a bit more time to show because you will see that it's yeah, basically a more powerful tool. And yeah, it's something that come aside from Jira. So let's go on. Yeah, we'll just pick the one from my save. So when you need more than plan offer structures with its Gantt extension is a strong step up. Structure provide a true Gantt with full dependencies type, finish to start, finish to finish, start to start, others, and also baselines, critical path analysis. So you can compare current date against baselines to see variance clearly. And it's integrate with planning and with other tool like Tempo. So you can see individual allocation. You can also spot over allocation, reassign ticket, or at the level project. So definitely something that you might be interested on is, let me show you. So let me show you. So I want to share with you that we can adapt the hierarchy of this too. So here, right now, I'm showing this specific hierarchy, but there is a possibility for me to change, to modify the structure by clicking on this button. And so if I modify the structure, I can see what I want to share, what I want to see. So exactly what type of hierarchy you got for a single project, you can have it into structure. And it wasn't the case in Plan. Plan has the same structure than Jira. Structure just add the possibility for you to structure your specific hierarchy the way you exactly want. You can also, and this is the same way you do with the same way you can do with Plan. You can add more filters here if you want, like to add or remove fields, base yourself on status, work type, that kind of thing. So yeah, uh, I really want to show you the Gantt part of this. So here you can see the hierarchy I was talking about, and I want to show you the Gantt thing. So the Gantt is basically showing the dependency chain, and it also gives you more information about the different execution and the plan that you got right now. You have the possibility to add link between two different items. So you can add start to end, end to start to start. So basically all kind of link that you can have. Um, if you need to see more than one structure, there is a new view that exists that is split and that allow you to have two structures side by side, which could be useful in terms of planning. And also one thing that is really interesting is you can have a baseline on this tool. So for example, here we got one. I can do the modification I want. If I want to set up new baseline, it's really easy to. So yeah, this is one simple add, but definitely something that you leverage when you are doing strategic portfolio management. And yeah, this is one of the myths of plan that this application is adding. I want to show you also about the resource planning, which is one of the differences between a plan and structure. So, structure as the individual allocation view. So this allows you to identify an overallocated person and reassign a ticket. So this is exactly the same we did for the specific the same we did for the specific team, but at a user, an individual level. So this helps you to avoid over allocation. So definitely something that you want to try. So you can see here, for example, these people is over allocated, and myself, I could take some work from him. So there is for me the possibility to see this over allocation and to just change the specific change the specific ticket to myself. So there is a better share of the capacity. Um, what I would like to show you finally is the insight part, which is something that you can add. So this is basically the report of the project. This report part, it come under one other plugin that we don't present today, but yeah, definitely you can add reporting about your whole structure and have just overall report about your specific structure. So really interesting feature. Last thing I want to show you is here I am planning by hours, but if you like more to go for percentage, for example, there is also the possibility to see the percentage instead of the hour, which could be more reliant with more reliable with your specific needs. So this is highly configurable, and there is for you the possibility to change this. So yeah, basically this is what I would like to show you. Last thing, maybe one one visualization of the specific card. So you can see that we can change the start date, the finish, the sprint, the current estimate, and everything from structure. It's not like plan, so if you are doing any change, it will apply directly into Jira. So if you are doing some planning and you don't want to push this, this is probably not the best. This is where I go to the last demonstration I want to show you, which is big picture. And it's probably where I spend a lot of my time. So let me go on this. So it's a portfolio management app. It's built on what they call boxes. So basically everything is a box on the picture. So let me share you. Let me give you. So if you want to create something, you need to create a box. So there is different type of box for different type of project that you might have, which make this one of the most customizable item that we have on this list. You can work with agile, safe, hybrid methodology. And basically, you are not forced to just use one methodology. You can work with a lot of different methodology side by side. So really, um, this is an easy way to create and use a different template for different project type or delivery model. And since you can mix them, you can have a project like safe style, iteration, program, uh, just you have them aside. So yeah, this is very very powerful. Let me get into the specific box. So boxes. Box view. So this is what you see when you go into a box. So when you open a box, you get the board, the timeline, everything is showing. So it gives you similar functionality to plan and structure. And so big picture, it also supports the scenario. So there is the possibility to set a scenario on big picture. um, the only thing is that you have the possibility to have a classic project safe style, everything in the same place. So uh, yeah, this is basically the view that you got. You can see that we also have the dependencies here, so nothing new from the other tool. Basically the same kind of thing, but we have something else, something that is very useful. So first, I will show you the scenario. So if I want to create a new scenario, same thing I can do in plan. I can just create the scenario, make change, and publish this change after. And what I would like to show you is the part with the dependencies. So let's say I go into these specific dependencies and I want to show you, uh, let me find this here. So there is two type of dependencies on this tool. So strong and soft dependencies. So the strong dependencies, they are scheduling dependencies. So for example, end to end, start to start, and everything. The soft dependencies, they are just for tracing dependencies. So you can choose to work with both or just with one of these kind of dependency. And this helps you to get the exact configuration you want for a specific level of specific structure. So really, the portfolio that you configure, you can have it with a lot more flexibility. Um, so let me go into the rest of the presentation. So what I would like to show you is you have so the same kind of functionality with the board that can show you the different swim lanes and everything like you got on the other tool. You can also have a part with the resource planning. So you can assign an individual to task, you can create team, and you can use existing team. And this is really useful because you define team. And so if you remember on structure, there was only the possibility to use the individual assignments. On a plan, it was only team. Well, this tool has both of the possibility. You have the possibility to assign a team, to assign people, and you have the possibility to see the different team that exist on your project, the different team that exist on your project, and also the different part with the, let me just grab one project that have team inside. Now I can find one, but yeah, you can have definitely people that are part of a team and an aggregation of the work they are doing right now. So this resource module is very very useful. So let me try to grab this here. So yeah, this is the individual people that are part of the thing. And here you can see some team with people inside. One of the things also that make this tool a much stronger tool over the resource is the fact that we got skills. So every people got a skill here, and this allow you to do something really, really good. This is where you go to a specific when you go to a specific project, to a specific issue. So let me grab the overview and go to one specific ticket. Uh, Program increments. Right, I want to see something inside. Wait, let me find this one. So here, when you go on the ticket onto Jira, there is the possibility for you to use this thing. So the big picture skill module here allow you to find the perfect match for specific skill. So it will just take into account the workload, the capacity, and the skill. And if you click on this, you will have a suggestion of the person that are available with this specific thing. So definitely a good addition for this. So yeah, I also want to show you one more thing about big picture, which is around the risk. So the risk part is a way for you, so when it will load, this is a way for you to do some filters between the same thing that we were doing into the plan. So the possibility for you to see risk by yeah, you can choose the matrix that you want, and this is the way you can do the priority on your specific item. So really, really useful functionality. And if you go more, there is two edition of this specific software, so standard versus enterprise. With the standard, you got all the feature I just show you, but you have also with the enterprise the possibility to have the priority management, which is basically the risk management, but for the priority. And you got something that is very interesting for a lot of people. So yeah, this is the priority thing. Basically, you just add an impact and and the software itself just calculate the score about this, giving you a more accurate way to assess the priority. And there is also the part with the financial. So it gives you the possibility to get finance reports directly into the tool. So really powerful for other kind of team that want to keep control under the cost and the budget of specific tool. It's really high configuration to achieve, but if you are mature enough in your company and if you have this kind of thing, it definitely bring a lot. So yeah, we look at all the tool, a big picture. So it cover a lot of additional area. So let me go back into this. So yeah, we want to emphasize that if you want to have a chat with us, or brainstorm, or share us what solution you are looking for, you can contact me either by LinkedIn or by email. I will be really happy to respond to you. There is also some upcoming free events and paid classes that you can take. So feel free to scan these QR code if you really like to follow one of this. And I really want to bring this YouTube channel from Valiantys where you have a lot of functionality. So really try to see what's inside. And we publish a lot of video with a lot of content. So yeah, definitely a lot to learn on this. So yeah, about Valiantys, we are 100% dedicated to Atlassian ecosystem. A lot of time, partner of the year. Currently, I think this number will increase again this year, and this slide might be outdated. And yeah, we are working with a lot of people with different way to work. So definitely with consulting, licensing, integration, managed services training. So yeah, a lot of different topic we can go together. So I finished my presentation. It's a bit later than expected. I'm really sorry, but it will be time for me to cover the question if you have some. So feel free to share your question in the chat. I will just have let you 1 or 2 minutes to write them if needed. And if not, we'll just wrap up this call. Hopefully it was interesting for everyone and you learn something about strategic portfolio management. And yeah, don't forget that you can see this content on YouTube. So if you want to rewatch this one or a different one, because we are giving this kind of webinar a lot, we can you can definitely find them on our YouTube channel. So yeah, we'll let a few minutes for you to grab your keyboard and send a question. And if there is no more question, we'll wrap up this one in, let's say, 1 or 2 minutes. All right. I think there is no questions. I guess there will be some that will arise in the next possibility. So yeah, I remember I just want to show you that yeah, if you want to discuss with us, that's really really be happy to discuss with you. That's conclude our webinar. Thank you for attending. I hope it was helpful. Strategic portfolio, like I was saying, it isn't a tool, it's an alignment practice. So start with people and process, pick the tool that fit the team, make the strategy visible where the work actually happen. And yeah, see you at the next webinar.